I see cat.
So this guy is small, 70 centimeters tall. EDDiE is 175, and the MiKE is 110 centimeters tall. Alright guys, I have no idea what shall I film now, so that's why I just filmed the demo mode. I want to show you my robot. This is EDDiE, and EDDiE is in the idle mode, self-autonomous idle mode. The same is with WiNNiE. Both of them using the machine vision cameras. They scan world around. They talk about what they see. Here is the MiKE. He's waiting for first steps, and this guy will get a legs. And I just want to show you my robots, and today we don't do nothing with them. This is just like a small micro Hollywood production. Yeah, because he's see me. Like you know, he's using the JeVois camera, machine vision system. Same is with the small guy, WiNNiE. He's loading every minute. So he's connecting around, and the next step will be to put them back to my workshop, to my office, and soon we're going to start to work with this guy. He will make his first steps soon. And if you want to compare the size of them, you can compare them with me. So this guy is small, 70 centimeters tall. EDDiE is 175. And the MiKE is 110 centimeters tall.